The first-generation Honda Insight is the kind of modern collectible you can feel good about driving. While quirky enough to draw glances at a Cars and Coffee, it is nonetheless ludicrously thrifty to fuel and environmentally friendly. Part of the Insight's appeal is its rarity, as global sales barely broke 17,000 over 7 years. That means they come up for sale only sporadically. Condition is far more important than mileage, especially as Insight ownership is more about a unique driving experience than investment potential. All first-gen Insights came with a 1.0-liter inline-3 paired with Honda's integrated motor assist hybrid system. The debut car with the 5-speed manual made 73 horsepower at 5,700 RPM and 91 pound-feet of torque from 2,000 RPM, useful on city streets. Fuel economy soared north of 60 miles per gallon, but for the most part the econometer hovered around 50 miles per gallon. The Insight opens new vistas in fuel economy, but as with any vehicle, haste is the enemy of good gas mileage.